crush an instant nerdle. I'm going to take my time with this one and try to explain my thought process. So this is going to equal a single-digit number. I know that because we have division and subtraction, which make numbers smaller. When you have two operations, I know I need exactly one double-digit number somewhere. So this looks like it's going to be 2 and then an operation and then a single-digit number. But just the way that lays out, when you have two operations, right, then we have two operations and an equal sign, and we have 5 numbers. So if you think about how the numbers can go in this equation, there's going to have to be numbers between every operation, right? There's going to have to be a number here, and then there's going to have to be 2 operations and an equal sign. And if you just see how that lays out, if we put a double-digit number here and then divide it by number minus number equal sign number, that's the only way that's going to work. The double-digit number could move around, but there's room for exactly one double-digit number. Hopefully that makes sense. So the double-digit number could be here, or it could be here. It could be the first 2 digits, or it could be a number before the 2. So I would just, I'm immediately thinking about the double-digit number. So since it could either be here, or it could be before the 2, I think I'd probably try numbers with the 2 beforehand. I'd look at numbers like what could go in front of this 2. It could be 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. The only numbers that we have left are 4 and 9. Those aren't 2 apart, so that's not going to work. Since we have subtraction, so the double-digit number typically is going to be the one divided, so that's like immediately where my mind is going. I'm thinking, what could this double-digit number be, and then what can I divide it by? Is it divisible by something? Since currently I'm trying numbers that end with 2, I'm going to have to divide by an even number, so I don't even have to think about dividing by 9. It's not going to be too big of a number because then we're subtracting 2 numbers, and they have to be like a single-digit number apart if we're subtracting them, because the final answer has to be a single-digit number. 42 divided by 6 is 7. That almost works, because 9 minus 7 would be 2, not 1. But I think I'm running out of numbers that are divisible by anything, because the number is going to have to end in 2. So I've tried the 1 here. That didn't work, because 12... Oh, it did. No, it does work. Okay. If I put the 1 here, I have 12. So what can I divide 12 by? For some reason, I was only thinking about dividing by 6, but if I divide by 4, then that equals 3, right? 12 divided by 4 is 3, and the other 2 numbers are 3 apart. 6 and 9 are 3 apart, so I just go 9 minus 3 equals 6. And that's an instant nerdle for you. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.